This might be the best mod I have done in a while.
Maybe downshift,
Alright, this is like a day or two after I put in my Spec D headlights, and I think this is surely the best mod I've ever done to my car. I think looks-wise, everyone looks at my car 10 times more now. Like before, it was like, oh, I'd get a compliment here and there. Now, I literally went to work today, I parked my car at work. This guy walks past, breaking necks with this car now, bro. I think it looks pretty good, and it makes the car look like it's actually from a recent time.
Downshift, maybe? Here.
Also, cannot forget to show off the fucking startup animation. This is the fast blinker. This shit is kind of like annoying as fuck. I don't know how to fix that. All right, bro, these are the hazards. It's not too shabby. All right, bro, this is the visibility test too. Those are my fucking brights, and this is normal. Off. We do not have fogs, but who needs fogs when you have high beams, you know? Yeah, these are nice, bro. My homie was telling me at work, basically, I should have went with the blacks. I don't think that's right, bro. I think chrome is definitely method. Especially, I'm gonna get chrome wheels eventually. These are like some fuck-ass ones, but don't mind the fucking bumper either, bro. We're still on our clap shit and our roots, but it doesn't, I feel like the camera doesn't even do it justice. The bumper clips on these are so shit. Look at the sky right now.
It's Chris fucking Travis, ho, you know who it is. The magnums in my pocket, I ain't trying to have no.
Headlights overall though, bro, I'm really happy with these. If you saw what I was driving with before, bro, and we're home. What are these Jewish people doing? Oh, they're not Jewish. That was a G37 started, just a heads up, I have not washed my car in a fucking fat minute, so please go easy on me.